All right, welcome guys, welcome. So today we will be discussing about how to basically use, we will be first basically creating a content creator agent, an AI agent that can basically generate the content for you. Let me show you something, okay, everyone. Before, so this is, suppose this is one of the content which is generated. This is kind of, you can say, a content which is a live workshop which basically I'm organizing. Now this is generated by AI directly. I have given him my photo and everything is generated by the AI. How we can do it, how we can do it in a mass, and how we want this to be generated by using the Nano banana, right? Which is what we are going to use in this case. We will be using a special type of Google AI, which is a image generation tool, which will basically generate this kind of content. Now, this kind of content, what you can do is you can share on Instagram, you can share on LinkedIn, you can also share in your YouTube community also, right? So image generations and everything. Today we will see how exactly we are going to generate this. Everyone with me? This is going to be a very simple agent. Let me show you how exactly it will look like. This look like this, where user will enter something. So for example, when I execute this, user will enter the product image, any image that you add. For example, you will select your own image. For example, suppose my image is there. Let's use. For example, you can use any image. Suppose this is my image, right? Then you enter the information about your product. What exactly you want into this. When you do that, it will basically execute it. It will generate a caption for you also, for Instagram, for LinkedIn also. And then it will upload the file into your drive so that now you can use it. After that, there is an option of uploading into different platforms also. So this one also I will show you how you can, if you have a subscription of Bluetato, right? There is uploadpost.com. If you have access to this, this is another tool that we are using, which will post into the different platforms also. That part we are not going to do. We will till here. Today our task is to basically generate the content and upload them into the directory as of now. So we are going to ask from a user what exactly you want. Give me your picture. We will generate a amazing file plus content also for that, right? So that it can share on LinkedIn, Instagram, or even on the YT community also, wherever they want to do it. Okay. So this content creator agent will basically generate an content for you guys, similar to this. This is one of the ad that we have done for our AI automation agent that we have generated, right? This one is something that we can generate, right? So we need to understand, ki, sir, how exactly it can be done. What is the process? Process kya? What is the process, right? First of all, we need to figure it out. What is a trigger action for this, right? First of all, trigger, then we need to do action and the result. Three things we need to figure it out. Everyone agree, right? Three things we need to figure it out. What is a trigger? Trigger is right now, we are going to use NA10 trigger for that. Okay. NA10 trigger for that we are going to use, where in this trigger, we will ask the user to upload a photo of him. Upload a photo, right? It can be any photo, right? Whichever he wants to upload. Then we are going to ask about description, or you can say product, knowledge, or points, anything, points, what he wants to do it. Actually, what he wants to do it. Here you can mention, right? You can mention the size. What is the size you want? Here you can mention, is it a poster? Is it a LinkedIn post? You want this to generate it for the LinkedIn. You want this to be an Instagram post, right? You can mention all the things also into the prompt. So it is actually nothing but a prompt to generate the content, okay? To generate the content, nothing else in this case, right? Now, in the action part, what we are going to do, in the action part, what we are going to do, first of all, you will get an image. This image is a PNG file. You need to convert this file into, right? This is whatever the file which is given to you. You need to convert this into file format, right? So there is a conversion also we need to do, which is extract the file, which is nothing but extract the file. Whatever the file that you will give user, we will extract it. Then we are going to call a API, which is Google Generative Image Generation. Everyone, image generation API, right? Now, the real question is, sir, what is a API? API is nothing but application programming interface. It is like you are taking help from Google image generation. So because we don't have any model who can basically create anything, so we need to use a third party service. So third party service is the Google generation, image generation that we are using. And here I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana, which is very popular nowadays. Nano Banana, where if you send the image plus text, it will give you the whatever you want. For example, the post that we want. Actually, everyone clear with this point? So whatever the post that you want, it can generate. You just need to give him image, and what is the text that you want, it will generate the post that you want. After that, what we are going to do, we are going to generate the captions also. What is a caption? Caption is nothing but whenever you upload a picture, you upload a text also side by side, right? Yes. So text can be, for example, in Instagram post also there is a text, right? That also we are going to generate by using LLM. That is also we're going to do. And in the end, we are going to upload this into our ads folder or content folder, right? By using Google Drive. Google Drive directly, we are going to upload that into this. So this is the action we are going to do. Trigger, action, and result. So final result will be, you will have a Google folder where your posters, images, or content is generated. Your content is generated. So we are going to use an API, which is this. First of all, we are going to use this Google generation API. How to use it? What is the process? We are going to this. Theoretically, anytime from trigger we are going to use. Action is this, and result is this, right? Chalo. So let's go to our create workflow. Go to N10, everyone. Let's go to N10. Now, what is the first thing that we will add? What is the first thing we will add? We'll search for form trigger. So this one is the trigger. By the way, we have a lot of other triggers also. Form stack trigger. No, these are paid ones. We don't want to use them. N10 free form trigger is more than enough for us. So we are going to use that. On new. Nothing we are not going to change. Nothing in this case we were going to change. Only thing we are going to change is because in this trigger, what we want from this form, what we want from the user. So authentication means, do you want this form to be hidden? The answer is no. We don't want this to be hidden. If you can add a basic auth also so that other people don't use it. Okay, later I will show you how you can do that. Form title. So form title is, let's suppose this is a content creator. Everyone with me? Give me yes in the chat. This is a content creator agent. Content creator. That's it. Okay. Or I will say ad creator, whatever you want to say. Suppose I want to generate an ad. Description. This will basically, if you, here I am writing audio to text, by the way. Upload your photo and the prompt, and it will generate ad, poster, image, YouTube thumbnail, all the things for you. Okay. It will generate YouTube thumbnail, poster, image, or even LinkedIn post, whatever you want to generate. Okay. Now, what are the two things we want from a user, guys? So here in the add form element, we are going to ask, what is the first thing we want you from a user? We want certain image from this. Yes, image we want, everyone. So whatever the product image that they have, they can upload their image also, whatever the image they want. Everyone with me? It will be, what is a file? It will be, it is not a text. It is going to be a file. So they will upload a particular file, right? They will upload a file. Okay. Do you want multiple files? Okay, we will say yes as of now. Okay. File we have selected. After that, what else we want? We want one more thing. We want one more thing, which is product image. Product, not image we have already done. Product name or instructions, whatever you want to give instructions, whatever the instructions you want to give. You can give a prompt also here. Okay. This is going to be a text, right? Both of the fields are required. Required basically means they are important. We cannot miss this. This is very, very important that we want them. Okay. We want them. Both of things are required. Okay. So that's it. This form is ready. This form is ready to used. Okay. So if you click on execute, you will see a beautiful form which will be shown to you. A new window will be shown to you where it is asking you for your product image. Select a product image, select the name and instruction. So here you can give the instructions also. So I will select my file. I will select my photo. So I have a couple of photos on my here, Pramod headshot, where I have taken a couple of screenshots. So this is this one, suppose image I have selected. And there is an instruction also I'm gonna give. So I have an instruction. So suppose I want to generate a particular image. Okay, so I want to generate that image actually. This poster I want to generate. So the prompt for this is, let me give you the prompt. Yeah. So this is a prompt, which is I want you to basically create a poster for a webinar that I'm going to organize on a YouTube. The name of the webinar is this. So let me change the name. Name is 29th. Suppose 29th we are doing. 27th ko chalo. 27th ko today only we are doing. Right. And this is the name for that. This is the name. Till here the name is this. With zero code. MCP server. And this is the date. Till here to here. This is the date. This is the title. This is the date, and this is the description which I have given. Everyone clear? This is a prompt which we are basically giving. Now this is the overall prompt that I have given. This is a poster I want to generate. So here exactly what I will mention here.